From the Custom Tabs section of your mobile app, you can provide intuitive navigation that is specifically tailored to your unique needs. You can rearrange the tabs by dragging and dropping them in the desired order. You can also easily add new tabs using the convenient plus button, where a comprehensive list of options is available, including chat features, online shops, or interactive polls. Selecting the Startup tab is essential. It determines which specific page will be shown first when users launch the application. Use the drop-down menu to set it. Please be aware that if you decide to remove the Settings menu, it will automatically be relocated to the top right corner of the application, represented as an icon. All changes made in this section take effect immediately, providing an instant preview of the changes in the app. Once you are satisfied with your choices, remember to click Save to keep your settings, or Cancel to go back. This section allows you to effectively structure and customize your app for an optimal user experience.